Hello friends, welcome to our new video. In this lesson, we are going to see some different ways to solve linear equation. First of all, we have to know what is linear equation. Before equation, first let's understand the polynomials. Here is the one example of polynomial. In a polynomial, this is called coefficient. This is called variable. The power of variable is called indices. This is base. In the basis of these indices, we can categorize the polynomial. If the power of base, the highest power of polynomial is 1, then that polynomial is linear polynomial. If the highest power of polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic. If the highest power of the polynomial is 3, then it is called cubic. If the highest power of the polynomial is 4, then it is called biquadratic, and it goes on similarly. Here in equation, we follow the same rule to categorize the polynomial. Same as in polynomial, if the degree of that equation is 1, then we call that is linear equation. If the highest power of that equation is 2, then it is called quadratic equation. If the highest degree of that equation is 3, then it is called cubic equation, and goes on. Now in this lesson, we are going to see some techniques how to solve the linear equations. Now here we have one pair of linear equation and we have to solve this linear equation. Now we are going to start from first method. It is called substitution method. From this method, here we have two equations, 3x plus 2y minus 48 is equals to 0. Say this is equation first. And 5x minus 12y plus 12 is equals to 0. This is equation second. Here two equations are given. Here the meaning of substitution means from any of these two equations, we are going to find the value of x or y and substitute that value in another equation. Like this way, from equation 2, we are going to find the value of x or y, whatever you feel easy. Here I am going to find out the value of x. Then here to find the value of x, put x in one side and remaining terms in other sides. Here minus 12y will be plus 12y in another side, simply plus 12y, and this 12 will be minus 12, or and x is equals to 12y minus 12 divided by 5, and this is say equation second. We are getting this value of x from this equation. Now we are going to substitute this value of x in equation 1. So it is called substitution method. So putting the value of x in equation first, we get here 3 as it is. In the place of x, we are going to substitute this value. Here x is equals to 12y minus 12 by 5 plus 2y as it is. This minus 48 is equals to 0. Now multiplying by 3, here will be 36y minus 12 into 3, again 36 divide by 5, this plus 2y as it is. This minus 48 will be plus 48 in another side. Now by taking LCM, here LCM will be 5, then here 36y as it is minus 36 as it is, and plus 12 into 5, 10y by taking LCM, and this 48 as it is. Here I am going to write in this area, or 36y plus 10y is equals to 46y minus 36, and here will be by cross multiplication 48 into 5. 46y as it is minus 36 as it is equals to 48 into 5 is equals to 240, or 46y as it is equals to 240, and this minus 36 will be plus 36, or 46y is equals to 240 plus 36 is equals to 276, or y is equals to 276 divided by 46 is equals to 6. Therefore, y is equals to 6. This is the value of y. Okay, now to get value of x, again we have to find the value of x. To get value of x, we have to put the value of y in equation 2. Now again, putting the value of y in equation 1 or 2, I am going to put in 2. So we get x is equals to 12 into y is equals to 6 minus 12 divided by 5. Here 12 into 6, it is 72 minus 12 divided by 5 is equals to 72 minus 12 is equals to 220, and 7 minus 1, 660 divided by 5, and 60 by 5 is equals to 12. Therefore, x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 6. This is your answer. This is the first method. We called this is substitution method. Now, the second method, we called it is elimination method. Now, here the question is again same question. This is equation first and this is equation second. Elimination method, it means we are going to eliminate one term, either x term or y term. To solve through this elimination method, coefficient of x or coefficient of y should be equal. For example, here coefficient of x is equals to 3. Coefficient of x in second equation is 5. Both are not equal. If they are not equal, then we have to make it equal. Again, in term of y, coefficient of y is equals to 2 in first equation, and in second equation, here is coefficient of y is equals to 12. Here both are not equal. So we have to make it equal, either x, coefficient of x or coefficient of y. In these two equation, easy in coefficient of y. Let's see, here 2y, 12y. If we multiply this 2 by 6, then it will be easy. 6 into 2, 12. Of course, you can make equal in x term, but you have to multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. Here, by multiplying equation 1 by 6 and solving with equation 2, we get, now we are going to multiply this first equation by 6, then 6 into 3, 18x plus as it is 6 into 2, 12y minus 48 into 6. 288 is equals to 0. And equation second as it is. 5x minus 12y plus 12 is equals to 0. Now this is your new equation. Here we are going to eliminate y term, and it is easy. Plus minus. Then by adding it will be eliminate. This term is eliminate with this term. Now 18x plus 5x. 23x. This term eliminated already. Minus 288 plus 12. It will be 276. 276 is equals to 0. Or by solving, 23x is equals to this minus 276 will be plus 276, or x is equals to 276 divided by 23, or x is equals to 12. Therefore, x is equals to 12. This is the value of x. Again, we have to find the value of y. To find value of y, we have to put this value of x in equation 1 or equation 2. For y, putting the value of x in equation 1 or 2, okay, I am going to put in 1, we get, here equation 1 is 3x plus 2y minus 48 is equals to 0. Here, or 3 as it is, x is equals to 12 plus 2y is equals to this minus 48 will be plus 48. Or 3 into 12, 36 plus 2y is equals to 48. Or 2y is equals to 48 minus 36. Or 2y is equals to 48 minus 36 is equals to 12. Or y is equals to 12 by 2 is equals to 6. Therefore, x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 6. This is your answer. This is called elimination method. Okay, here also we have same equation first and equation second. Now we are going to solve these two equations by using cross multiplication method. This is our third method. Here for your easy, you can do short rough. Here the coefficient of x is 3. Then put here coefficient of x is equals to 3. And in equation second is 5. Again coefficient of y is equals to plus 2. Coefficient of y is equals to minus 12. And constant is equals to minus 48. Again, in second equation, constant is equals to plus 12. And here, repeat coefficient of x and y. A coefficient of x is equals to 3, 5. And coefficient of is equals to y is equals to 2 and minus 12. By cross multiplication method, we get here in cross multiplication method, this is for first divide is equals to this is for y is equals to, and for constant 1. For coefficient of x, we don't touch the coefficient of x. What we multiply these two. This is for x. We multiply this with this, 2 into 12, and minus, this is minus from the rule, again multiplication with this. This is minus 12 into minus 48. Again in y, this is the coefficient of y. This is coefficient of y, so we don't touch this. We touch these two coefficient. This is for y. Again multiplication with these two minus multiplication with these two. So minus 48 into 5 minus from the formula or from the multiplication method rule, and 12 into 3. 12 into 3. And for constant, again same rule. These two for constant, multiplication between these two, 3 into minus 12 minus from rule, and multiplication between these two, 5 into 2. Or x divide by 12 into 2, 24, minus minus plus into minus, minus 12 into 48. This is 576. Is equals to, as it is, y, again minus 48 into 5, this is 240, minus 12 into 3, 36, is equals to 1, as it is, minus 12 into 3, 36, minus 10. Or x divide by 24 minus 576 is minus 552, is equals to y, as it is, divide by minus 240 minus 36 is equals to minus 276 is equals to 1 by minus 36 minus 10 minus 46. This term, first term is equal with second term, and second term is equal with third term. Here A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Here if A is equals to B is equals to C, then we can say A is also equal with C and B is also equal with C. So we are going to use same logic over here. So from first and third, we get x divided by minus 552 is equals to 1 by minus 46. Here minus will be plus, and by cross multiplication 46 x is equals to 552, or x is equals to 552 divided by 46. Therefore x is equals to, it will be 12. Again from second and third, we get, here our second term is y by minus 276 is equals to, third term is 1 by minus 46. Here also minus will be plus. By cross multiplication 46y is equals to 276. By solving, y is equals to 276 divided by 46, or y is equals to 276 divided by 46 is 6. Therefore x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 6. This is our answer by using cross multiplication method. Well, we saw three different methods of solving linear equation, and the last method is graph method. By using graph, also we can find the similar value of x and y. For the graph method, I will give a link in the description box. Please check over there. For today, this much. Thank you for watching us. See you in another video. Bye bye. Namaste. Please click subscribe and bell button. Don't forget to like, comment, share.